Hey guys, how's it going? So we're here in the kitchen. A couple of things I wanted to show you in the kitchen. All the plugs that we have here in the kitchen are going to be connected in a network, and we will have a reset breaker in the laundry, just like I talked about. They're all connected, so including the ones that you have here on the island. Also, we have drains here, so every now and then make sure you guys take a look at underneath, make sure that there are no leaks. We also have a garbage disposal switch, which is going to be here on the bottom. Also, if you wanted to check your dishwashers are going to have a 2-year warranty with General Electric. Make sure you register them online at geappliances.com. Now, we don't provide a refrigerator, but we also have a dedicated outlet here for the refrigerator going into the breaker box over there, and we do have water line coming in. When you connect that water line, make sure you drain the first gallon or two, or the first ice bucket, just dump them down the drain, or not dump the ice bucket outside, because we've never actually cleaned that line. So when we pressurize the house, if there was any dirt or anything like that, there's probably a little bit of dirt sitting there. Also, here we have your everything for your appliances, right? So we also provide you with a stove and a microwave. They're also going to have a 2-year warranty on them with GE. And if you don't have any power to your range, remember this one's going to have a breaker going to the outside of the house, and this microwave will have a reset breaker in the actual laundry room. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy your day.